This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need an up-to-date iPhone and a paid, China-friendly VPN account. Free services usually fail. First, create the account on a secure network, then download the provider app. If the App Store blocks it, use a trusted sideload method or download before you enter restrictive networks. Once the app is on your device, open it and sign in. Make sure your payment and MFA are complete so you can activate the service fast and reliably. Now configure the app and iOS settings so connections are resilient. In the VPN app, choose an obfuscated or stealth server designed for China. Select WireGuard or IKEv2 if offered, because they balance speed and reliability. Tap to add the VPN configuration to settings and allow the profile installation. Turn on Kill Switch and Auto Connect. This prevents leaks if the tunnel drops. Once done, connect and verify by checking a reliable IP check or by accessing a previously blocked site. To finish, test several servers and protocols so you know which are fastest and most consistent. Save that choice for daily use. If you can't connect, first toggle airplane mode, restart your iPhone, then reopen the VPN app and try a different server. If problems persist, reinstall the VPN profile or app and send logs to support. They often provide updated server addresses or configuration files. Finally, keep a secondary VPN.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.